Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi, Patch. Can you see anything out the window? Let's look out the window. So the memorial garden is just getting, once again, the ground covers coming back. You hang out, okay? I'm gonna go out and harvest the squash, okay? You'll see me out the window. Hey everybody, Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee. Well, it's sprinkling and we are expecting 5 days of rain. That's what they say anyway. But it's supposed to really rain by 3 o'clock. And I want to get my big squash out of the side garden and find out how much it weighs. So let's go find out. Well, it's sprinkling. Let's get this done. This is going to be a quick one. Okay. Can you see the big one in there? Oh dear, it's raining. Oops. Oops. Oh darn. Oh, that was dumb. Okay. See if I can see if I had my upper body worked out, I could bench press this. Okay, that was the biggest one, obviously. I'm sure that form is not perfect, but another big one, and I think this is a butternut, but it looks very similar. Okay, here's one more medium big. It's big for a zucchini, it's not big for a giant squash. But I could cook it now, it's just that I have another big one in there. And since we're waiting until the end of the week, I'm gonna give this a few more days. There's so many blooms. And there's these two little ones. The vine is very green, so I was going to wait and see what happens during the rain. I've got one over here that I can take. That's not going to do much else. Cute little butternut. Perfect for soup for one. What? Could be soup for two if it's a appetizer. Everything's going to be much muddier after a few days. Ooh! I don't think I even saw that one the other day. Oh my goodness. That's a nice size one. Let's get that out of there. That is a surprise. We walked all over, but these weeds are quite something. Well, what is that attached to? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a nice one. That's definitely soup for two, or maybe 4 servings. Yeah. Wow. That's a surprise. And there may be other surprises under there. It's just, you know, until you start pulling all the stuff out, you really don't know. This is late bone set. You can't even pull that out. Late bone set needs to be where you want late bone set, not where it wants to be. Is there anything else under here? No? Okay. Nothing down there. I got so many beans here. I got to come out and just do a whole bean thing. But I'm going to wait for the rain. Look at this. Look at that. Talk about a handful. I'm just going to take this dried one so I don't lose it. Oh, it's pretty much empty anyway. Now the only thing over here are these, what I believe to be orange Thai, even though I bought seeds from a different company and it was called mango something or other. But it looks exactly like my orange Thai. So, who knows? It's possible I made a mistake. It's happened before. Not too often. But once in a while I make a mistake. I don't see anything in there. This is quite the hunt. Oh goodness. There's so many peppers. I'm covered up in peppers. I don't need them. It's very hard to sell them because these are, let me think, red calico. I've got a ton up there. But come this weekend, this is going to be cleaned off. The coming weekend. All right. Look at those huge. What? Winter, who cares? I'm growing. You'd think there'd be something under there, but it's probably 2 inches long and it'll never finish out. So, there we have it. Make a guess. Give me a guess at the time code. What do you think? 1, 2, 3. Biggest, medium, smallest. What do you think? If you guess the appropriate number, I'll send you some seeds. Okay, I hope you can see this. I'm wrapping a bungee cord around the heaviest one. And hoping that works. Oh! Come here. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do that. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Okay. Oh gosh, this is heavy. Heavy for me anyway. Not heavy for a big strong guy. Okay, I think that's gonna balance. Okay. All right, you see it hanging. So, let's see if I can get some light on the subject. Did that help? Nope. Okay, let me turn it. I don't know. It says, now this is an antique scale, and it says 16 right there. It's right there. It's pretty much on 16. I mean, I'm not quite tall enough, but I'm pretty sure that's right on 16. So, okay, felt heavier than that to me. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oops. My hair. It says, oh, that's so hard to read. Oh, it's in 4 pounds. Okay, so that is 4, 8, 12. Okay, so that must be 5 pounds. Feels heavier. Oh. Okay, this one can't be over 3, I wouldn't think. And of course, this is not terribly scientific because this is an antique scale. And that says 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay. There are the big ones. I had a lot more 4 years ago, but that's okay. And this I'm concerned about because I broke that off and I needed that to seal it up. So hopefully it will seal up on its own and will cure. And if not, I'll have to cook it within a month or so. I've got my butternuts up here and I've already eaten a few and given a couple away. Got potatoes up here. They're all sprouting because I don't have a root cellar. Hey, thanks so much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. Click that bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all so you won't miss an episode. Many people tell me they don't get notified for my videos, so make sure you press that little all button. And check back because every Saturday, make a timer for yourself. Every Saturday at 9 a.m. Central, I have a video that I premiere and all my community can join the live chat if they wish. Many people enjoy saying hello to one another. We need community. That's what I've been saying since I don't know, 6 years. We got to build community, so I hope you will. See you there. And the next up is I'm harvesting turmeric. You don't want to miss it. God bless. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and we are going to harvest turmeric, so you want to be there. Oops. Hey, the show must go on, right? Thank you so much for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And we are going to harvest turmeric.